Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna quickly show you that how to refresh quick add on Snapchat. So what you need to do first is go to your Snapchat. After that you have to click on your Bitmoji right there. You can pretty much click anywhere on your Bitmoji. So what you need to do next is you click on add friends. After that you can see here is so much suggestion in my list. So I'm gonna refresh it. I'm gonna show you. So what you need to do to refresh it, to click on this cross icon button like this. After that you have to scroll the Snapchat page like that. Okay, then you can see there is a new bunch of list of friends that I'm just refresh this page. Okay, you can pretty much do that anytime and more than once. Okay, so this is how you can refresh your Snapchat quick add feed page like that. If you like this video, please subscribe this channel and like this video. Peace.